Hello everyone, this is Yodalf and welcome to this new video. What I've got for you today is a little tool to analyze your world to find spawner clusters and HSA. For those of you who don't know, HSA are hard-coded spawning area. It's related to structure spawn like outposts, fortress, monuments, widgets. It will help you find the spawning spots for your structure. It's useful for fortresses more than anything. But yeah, so let's just select our word. So if you sort by date here, it will be the same order as in Minecraft. So it's not the name there, but if you sort it here by date, you will have the same order. So just select this one because I know, and check everything, scan everything, wait a bit, and okay, so you have your HSA here, so start, end, and this is the HSS, so the spawning spot, so 4 spawning spot for this outpost. And then you have your cluster. So it's sorted by the number of spawners available. So you have just a bunch of 3 on this one. And you have the position of the 3 spawners and the one of the AFK spots. It only dumps 1 because you most likely have more than 1, but yeah, it gives you 1. Feel free to check around and see if there's other spots, but yeah. So very simple, not very powerful. As you can see, it's just something that dump. You will have to look around to find your stuff, but still, it's something. If you want a more powerful tool, you will have to wait for Rufus Atticus tools. It will be very good. So go check Rufus Atticus and wait for his tool. I'm pretty sure it will be way more powerful than this thing. So yeah, now let's go over how to install this. So what you want to do is go to python.org, click on the download and view list of full downloads. And then you have to click on this one and select Windows x86-64 executable installer. Don't take the 32-byte installer, this one, because it won't work. Take the 64. It doesn't matter if it says AMD. It will work on Intel too. So I've already it installed here, so I'm just going to show you when you install it, you will have to select custom installation and select TCL/TK when you install it. You can remove the other things, but you will need this one. Otherwise, the interface will not work, and you will have to make aliases and enter your world in a command line. So yeah, just select this one and then finish installation, and voila. What you want to do next is go there. So there's a link in the description. Click on clone or download zip, save it, just unzip it anywhere you want, and then double click on the bat file. It will load, and there you go. You have access to the tool. Simple as that. So this only works on pre-generated world, which means that I made something to generate world, of course. So it's not automatic. Fine, it's automatic, but it's not very. You will have to use Minecraft to do that. So it's a script, an AHK script, so you have to install AutoHotkey. Go to autohotkey.com, download current version, install it, and then in the directory where you install this, you have a world gen macro script. So I'm just going to open it. What this gen macro does, it will go from minus 4096 to 4096 in X and Z coordinates. And so let me show you real quick. I'm just going to load it maybe. Okay. And start Minecraft. Play. Let's create a new world. And creative. Peaceful. I don't really care. Random seed. Select simulation distance of 12. If your PC can't handle simulations distance of 12 to generate it, you will have to change the 12 here and the 12 there to your simulation distance. The smaller is the simulation distance, the longer it will take to generate everything. You should disable fire spray and all that. Natural origination doesn't matter, time run doesn't matter. Always the mob spawning, memory, all that can be disabled. It will speed up a bit the process, so at least made it easier on your PC. So let's start it. Yeah. Then what you want to do is go to video settings and what do I do there? Fancy view. Basically, you want to disable all the fancy graphic stuff because it will just make your PC scream. And then render distance. Why is it so laggy? Put it down to 12. Can do 12. Okay, 16 then. Remove anti-aliasing and particle distance. Basically, we do that to speed up to make it less. Anti-aliasing, but it's so laggy when you change it. Before it's done. And I think there's something else. Something about text scrolling. Where is it? Screen animation. It's by default it's on. You need to disable it. Then you just go back to the world, press Ctrl 8 J, and it will just use TP command to generate everything. So you will have to let it run for some times. It can take like 1.5 hours, maybe 2 hours to generate the world. And the same for other dimensions if you want to do other dimensions. And then you will have a pre-generated world that you can use to scan for whatever you want. So if you want to stop the script, and it's a stop, it's not a pause. You need to press the pause button on your keyboard until we just stop. So yeah. Save and quit. And if we can just maybe take a look. Select world. This is a new world. Let's just scan for everything. So no HSA, but we already have a bunch of multiple spawner. Not a lot, but we already have some. Okay, so this is it for this video. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.